Okay, more of the great adding integers. We're going to continue what we were already doing in the last video. And we have a problem number 3, -5 plus 8. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Do we have different signs here? Of what integers? We have two integers. We got a -5 and we have a +8. So, same signs add, different signs subtract. These are different signs, so we subtract. 8 minus 5 is, and always will be, 3. But let's give another example. -8 plus 5 looks pretty similar. Let's see what may be the difference. We have a -8 here, and we have a +5 here. We have different signs, so we know we are supposed to subtract. But this answer is not 3. Why is it not 3? Okay, this part of the rule is same signs add, different signs subtract. But it also is same signs add and keep, means same signs add and keep the signs of what you're adding. Different signs subtract, keep the sign of the higher value. Okay, keep the sign of the higher value. Basically means just look at the number without the sign. Which one's higher, 8 or 5? Well, 8's higher. So I automatically know that this answer is going to be negative. You're keeping the sign of the higher value. Look back at number 3. The higher value is 8. It was a positive. The answer was positive. We didn't put +3, but you don't have to put a plus sign in front of a positive answer. But we have this one, we have -8, +5. Different signs subtract. Different signs subtract, but keep the sign of the higher value. So the higher value is 8, and that means it's going to be a negative, and the answer is -3. Let's look at number 5. We have two integers. What are the signs of both integers? Okay, the first one, fairly easy to tell, is -4. The second one, it has a plus sign, and then it has a negative sign. Okay, the plus sign is telling us we're adding these two. Okay, so we already knew we was combining them anyway. The sign directly in front of the number is what we want to worry about. So we have a -4, and we're combining it with a -5. The two numbers are both negative. They're both same signs. If you remember, same signs add and keep. Keep the sign of what you're adding. So we're adding two negatives. Just like if this was just a regular first grade math problem, 4 plus 5 would be 9. This is a regular 7th grade problem. -4 plus -5 is -9. Let's try to get one more in here. 9 plus -7. All right. What are the two integers we are combining? The first one is a positive 9. It doesn't have a plus sign in front of it, but we know if it doesn't have a plus sign, you don't have to. It's a positive. And the second integer is it negative or positive? What's the sign directly in front of the number? Negative. So we've got a positive 9 and a -7. Different signs. Yes, subtract. So we have different signs, subtract, keep the sign of the higher value. Which value is higher? 9's higher. So this answer is positive. So we got different signs. We know subtract. We know it's positive. So what in the world is 9 minus 7? 2.